Hi guys, and welcome back for another crochet tutorial from Carly at the Hook and Knot Nook. Many of you know that we've had many segues over the last couple of weeks with Halloween, Guy Fawkes, the baby blankets. We are now getting into our Christmas crochet, and one of the first things that we've been making are these cute little angels. There are two different styles. I've had to separate them. We're doing the outside ones in today's video. We'll be working in US terms for this project. We'll be doing a magic circle, slip stitches, chains, single crochets, half double crochets, treble crochets, and double treble crochets. I will be using my 3.5mm hook and a worsted weight or plain DK yarn. I'll also have a pair of scissors and my darning needle to hide my ends. So for our magic circle, we are taking our tail end, wrapping it around the front of our fingers, wrapping our working yarn round the back and over the tail, then putting our hook under, grabbing that second one and twisting to secure. Now we have our magic circle. We'll start with a chain of 2. This does not count as our first double crochet. We'll then wrap, go into that hoop, wrap at the back, pull through, wrap and pull through 2, and wrap and pull through 2. For a double crochet, just tighten that hoop, make it easier to work with, and another double crochet. And we are going to repeat this until we have 15 double crochets and that chain 2. So that's my 15 double crochets. I'm just going to pull that tail end now to close that circle completely, and then we are going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, not the second chain. So into the top of that first double crochet, wrap at the back and pull through everything, and that is round 1 completed. We're now going to do our first angel wing. So we're going to do a chain of 8. Now I want to keep this quite loose because we're going to be working right back into that place where we just slip stitched. So a chain 8. We'll then go down to our 3rd stitch on our hook, and we're going to slip stitch. Then right back into that space where we slip stitched, we're going to work a double treble. So we're going to wrap our yarn 3 times, back into that hole, wrap at the back and pull through, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, try to at least, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through that final 2. Then again, right back into that hole, we're going to go in with a treble. So wrap twice, in through the back, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through the final 2. Then we're going to do a double in that same space. So we'll wrap once, and then in with a half double. So wrap once, pull through, wrap and pull through all 3, a single, and a slip stitch, all in that same hole. Okay, that's our first wing completed. We're then going to single crochet in that next stitch along, and then slip stitch into that next stitch along. And we're now going to work on our second wing. So again, we're going to chain 8, and 7 and 8, and then count down 3, slip stitch into that 3rd chain. We're now going to turn our work and work back into where we just slip stitched into. So we're going to do a treble, which is wrap 3 times, double treble, sorry, and we'll wrap and pull through 2 4 times, then a treble. So wrap twice, in through that same hole, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through 3 times. in with a double, then a half double. Ooh, that one's really tight. Then a single, and finish with a slip stitch. Now we've come to where we did that single crochet in between the wings, so we're going to slip stitch into that single crochet. We're now starting with the dress, so we're going to chain 3, and this will count as a double, and back into that same stitch with 5 more doubles. So we'll have 5 doubles and a chain 3 at the beginning, so that would count as 6 double crochets in that one single crochet, and 6. Now we've got the base of our skirt, and 5 double crochets and a chain 3. We're now going to be working in trebles, so we're going to chain 4, turn our work, and then right back into the base of that stitch we're going to do another treble. So wrap twice, in, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, and we're going to do 2 treble crochets in each of the next 5 double crochets along, so we will have 6 sets of treble crochets. Remembering that the last set of trebles will actually be in the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. So we'll have 11 treble crochets on one chain 4, and that's the skirt completed. Now you could leave it like this, but we're going to do the frilly bits on the end. So we're going to chain 5, 3, 4 and 5, turn our work, and we're going to skip that stitch at the base and single crochet into the next stitch, chain 5, miss the next stitch and single crochet into the next one, and we're going to repeat this all the way along until we have 5 of those chain 5, skip 1 and single crochet into the next stitch. Oops, sorry, I meant 6. So you'll have 6 lots of these chain 5, skip 1, single crochet, remembering to get that last one right at the end where you did the chain of 4. Now again, you could complete it at this stage, but if you do want to do the second row, we're going to chain 5, then turn your work and single crochet in the first chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, repeat this all along until that last chain 5 space, and then we're going to mirror the other side, chain 5, and now we're going to slip stitch into the base of the treble crochet from the previous round, snip our yarn, or the previous round, chain 1 and pull through, and now just to hide those little tail ends, we'd work around our tail, and these aren't really going to be yanked around, so I just went into the circle a little bit more and then snipped off my yarn. Now the frills on the skirt section, I go in through the front and bring it through to the back. This pulls that last section that we did tighter, pulls it closer to the dress, and then I just worked my yarn through the bottom section of those treble crochets that we did. I think these angels are really, really cute. I can't find the link to where I got the pattern originally, but it was about 9 years ago, These ones we'll probably add little hooks to them and hang them from our Christmas tree, or make garlands, or use them as appliques on presents and stuff like that. Who knows, we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative. Let us know if you give these a go. In our next video we will be doing the different version. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, if you did, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below. It really does help the channel out. Lets us know that you're enjoying the content, and feel free to comment down below and let us know if there's any other videos you want to see or any feedback you have. Thank you guys for coming back to Carly at the Hook and Knock Nook. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.